Hello everyone, my name is Alan Winders, and this is my screencast for my final project for cartography, Geography 167. My screencast highlights the epidemic of the western bark beetle and the U.S. Forest Service response to it. So this picture actually shows two men cutting down a bark beetle infested tree from 1935. So bark beetles have been in the Western United States for a very long time. There are 600 different types of bark beetles, and they are not invasive. Although, due to some of the effects of climate change, they have been getting out of hand, and they attack and kill live trees, which causes an increase in tree mortality. So just to highlight the severity of the bark beetle epidemic, this is from 2001, and you can see the northwestern region of the United States being affected by it. Some areas in California over here in Idaho have over 20% projected total basal area loss. And then you can also see the national forest boundaries that have a pretty similar region. Next, I want to talk about the U.S. Forest Service's strategy and how they responded to this epidemic. So their response included human safety, recovery, and resiliency. So human safety was taking down standing dead hazard trees. Then recovery was reforesting a lot of areas that had been susceptible to tree mortality. And then for resiliency, it was thinning down some of the forests and creating a more diverse stand structure. So this map highlights some of the things that they did in the Idaho region. So they did a lot of different things, a lot of different methods, from biological control to fire to mechanical chemical. So these could be any activities from cone collection to insect prevention to selection and care for superior trees. Next, I want to highlight some areas of interest. So the first one over here is also in Idaho in the Lolo National Forest. So you can get kind of a chronological order of what things they did and when in this region. Next, this shows the Black Hills Forest National Forest, which is in South Dakota, and see how they decided to combat some of the western bark beetle infestation from chemical chipping, machine pile burn, a lot of different things. And then this is a pretty recent map showing the bark beetle forecast risk level in California. You can see it's a lot in this forested region over here. So thank you.